They don't know what it is, and the usage of it has gone through the roof, and it is costing them a lot. Solution is to build an on-prem GPU-based infrastructure that is in your control. The cost is under control. Plus, and the most important point is the expertise to implement and manage this infrastructure. There is only one company which brings GPU, CPU infrastructure, then the entire security stack and high-speed networking together. So together, we complete the solution that customers are looking for.
Welcome to the Alim Media Network at Cisco Live. I'm here at the Gruve AI booth speaking with Rajeev Khanolkar, Chief Strategy Officer here at Gruve AI. Now, for the last 2 days, I'm sure you've spoken to a lot of teams here. From all of the conversations you're having, what is the common pain point as it relates to customers about AI in production?
So one of the biggest pain point that I hear from customers is tokenomics or token usage. They don't know what it is, and the usage of it has gone through the roof, and it is costing them a lot.
Absolutely.
So what is the solution? Solution is to build an on-prem GPU-based infrastructure that is in your control. The cost is under control. But the issue with that is a lot of customers don't have power and cooling that is needed to maintain this infrastructure. And the last and the most important point is the expertise to implement and manage this infrastructure.
Yes, especially when it comes to inferencing and bringing it back on-prem, the tokenomics will be grand compared to if they were using a neo cloud or even a traditional hyperscaler, and especially the expertise to help manage that economics itself. Now, where do you see Gruve and Cisco coming together to create the most leverage for your customers, or better yet, our customers, in the next 6 to 12 months?
So here is what Cisco has done. Cisco has created secure AI factory, validated design. They have integrated best of the products, NVIDIA GPUs, with well-known storage vendors. Now, this infrastructure needs expertise to deploy and operate so that customers get the value out of them. This is where the design expertise, the operational expertise that Gruve can bring to the table. So together, we complete the solution that customers are looking for.
Right. So Cisco, the OEM with the certified stack, and Gruve AI with the certified consultants, architects, and network engineers to put the whole solution together. Now, Rajeev, I have one question for you. Why Cisco?
If you look at the industry layout of different partners, there's only one company which brings GPU, CPU infrastructure, then the entire security stack and high-speed networking together. So this is the only company which has got the entire solution together, unlike any other vendor that we know.
Absolutely. And for our viewers here, as well as our customers, why Gruve AI?
Very simple. Our team has been working with Cisco for over a couple of decades. We understand how Cisco works, and we understand how to leverage Cisco's technology and get the best out of it to deliver a value to customers.
Thank you, Rajeev. Until next time.